With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, in this question we have to find the equation of a straight line such that it passes through the point 12, -1 and the sum of the intercepted made on the axis is equal to 7, right? Means we have a point which is 12, -1. It means this point will lie on the fourth quadrant, right? And our required line will pass through this point. Let's suppose this is the coordinate axis, this is y-axis, and let's say this is x-axis, right? And this is origin, and our required line will be like this. Okay, passes through a point P which is 12, -1 and cuts the coordinate axis at, let's say, a, 0, and this point is, let's say, 0, b. Okay, now there is a concept. If you will see, if this is a coordinate axis, you have this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and if you have a line passing through this point a, 0 and this point 0, b, then the equation of this line will be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? This is the concept. We will apply this concept here. And the equation of this line will be what? X by a plus y by b is equal to, this is y by b is equal to 1, right? Since this line will pass through this point, so this point will satisfy this equation. So try to satisfy. This will be, x will be what? 12 upon a plus y will be -1 upon b will be equal to 1, or you can say 12 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1. Now question is saying the sum of intercepted made on the axis is equal to 7, means this y-intercept and this x-intercept, sum of this y-intercept and x-intercept is equal to 7. This is again given in the question. So you can say a will be what? 7 minus b, right? We will put this value of a in this equation. You will get what? You will get 12 upon a, which is 7 minus b, minus 1 upon b will be 1, right? And if you will solve this, this will be what? 12b minus 7 plus b upon b into 7 minus b will be 1, right? Or you can say this will be what? 12 plus 1, 13b minus 7 will be, this will be 7b minus b square, right? And this will become b square plus 13 minus 7 will be 6b minus 7 is equal to 0, right? And if you will solve this quadratic equation, b square plus 7b minus b minus 7 will be 0, right? Or you can say b will be common, b plus 7 minus 1, b plus 7 is equal to 0. And now b plus 7 will be common, this will be b minus 1 will be 0. Now you can say we got two values of b, which is -7 and or b is equal to 1. We got two values of b, right? Now let's say case first, when b is equal to -7, then a will be what? A will be -7, then a will be 7 minus -7, will be 14, right? And if we will take case second, if b will be 1, then a will be what? If b will be 1, then a will be 7 minus b. 7 minus 1, which is 6, right? So our actual equation will be, our equation is what? This is our equation, right? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the equation of the required line, right? If we will take case first, then the equation will be what? Equation will be x by a, which is 14, plus y by b, which is minus 7, right? Minus 7 is equal to 1. This is our first equation, okay? Or you can solve it, x by 14 minus y by 7 is equal to 1. You can say this is our first answer. And if you will take case second, then this will be x by a, which is 6, plus y by b, which is what? 6. X by a, which is 6, y by b, which is 1, right? Is equal to 1. This is our second answer, okay? So we got 2 lines, means 2 lines are possible. In coordinate you can fill, there will be this line and there will be a possible line which is like this. Let's say this is our second line possible, which is passing through this point P and cut at the coordinate axis like this, okay? If you will extend this line and this line, then the second line will pass through like this, okay? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.